And I'm going to show you an 18 round magazine for a 6-shooter revolver in 357 Magnum. And I want to compare it to a six round semi-automatic. Slide is locked back, slide back, magazine in, slide forward. Pretty fast, huh? Well, similar situation. Revolver, equivalent, slide back. Just as fast. Now, I'm sitting down, and that was just the first time I did this. But this is a 18 round magazine. That's what I'm calling it, for a 6-shooter revolver. This one is fit for 357 Magnum. You can get all different types. The company that makes it is REV Technologies. REV Technologies. This is one of the most innovative things that I've seen to help with the revolver and the practical use of carrying a revolver and not having to worry about the cumbersomeness of reloading. This configuration is better than this because in order to get 18 rounds, which I have in this magazine, I would have to have 3 of these 6-round magazines. Just saying.